This is AI Command App news for Friday, July 17th, 2026. Chip stocks are in their sharpest slide of the summer. A Chinese filing puts a $52 billion price tag on DeepSeek, and Visa just made stablecoins a mainstream product. Here's what happened, why it matters, and what it means for your business. Story 1. The chip rout. Semiconductor stocks fell hard for a second straight session on Thursday, led by memory chip makers. SK Hynix dove, and the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index got hit again, according to Investors Business Daily. Oracle slid to a 52-week low as its slump continued, with investors questioning the massive AI spending commitments the company has taken on. CNBC's Morning Squawk put the chip sell-off at the top of its list of things investors need to know before the open, alongside Netflix earnings. And there's a geopolitical layer. CNBC reports that ASML, the Dutch company whose lithography machines make advanced chips possible, is set to earn roughly a fifth of its 2026 revenue from China, even as it walks a tightrope in the US-China AI feud. Why it matters: the market is repricing AI infrastructure. The question has shifted from how fast companies can spend on AI to when that spending converts into revenue. For business leaders, expect that same scrutiny to reach your own AI budget. Pilots that can't show a path to payback will be much harder to defend in next year's planning. Story 2. DeepSeek's price tag. A Chinese corporate filing implies the AI lab DeepSeek is valued at nearly $52 billion, according to reporting picked up by Seeking Alpha and Yahoo Finance. Why it matters. DeepSeek built its reputation on frontier-class models trained at a fraction of what US labs spend, and $52 billion is a fraction of what top American labs command. If capable models keep getting cheaper to build, the price of AI capability keeps falling. For buyers, that's leverage. More competition among model providers means better pricing and a stronger case for architectures that let you switch providers without rebuilding your stack. Story 3. The money is following inference. TechCrunch reports that the financiers who pioneered GPU-backed lending are now turning to inference chips in a $400 million chip-backed loan that points to the next wave of AI infrastructure deals. Why it matters. Financing follows workloads. The industry's center of gravity is moving from training giant models to running them in production, inference, and lenders now treat AI chips as collateral, a bankable asset class. The business implication: more inference capacity is being financed and built, which over time means cheaper, more abundant compute for actually running AI in your operations. Story 4. Visa goes stablecoin. Visa launched a platform for minting stablecoins and managing wallets and payments, per Yahoo Finance and Seeking Alpha. Why it matters. The world's largest payment network is treating stablecoins as a core product, not an experiment. For finance teams, programmable dollars running on card network rails could reshape cross-border settlement and business-to-business payments. When Visa builds the plumbing, banks and platforms follow, and corporate treasury teams should at least be studying it. Story 5. Selling speed to Wall Street. Trump Media announced plans for Truth API, a licensed real-time data feed giving traders faster access to what the company itself calls the most market-moving posts on Truth Social, according to The Verge. Why it matters. Presidential social media posts have moved markets for years. Now the speed of access to them is a product with a price tag. That raises real questions about information asymmetry. If market-moving statements reach paying subscribers before everyone else, firms without the feed are structurally behind. Compliance teams and regulators will be watching closely. That's the picture for today. Markets stress testing the AI build-out. Cheaper frontier AI out of China. Financing shifting to inference. Stablecoins going mainstream. And market-moving information becoming a subscription product. That's your AI news for today from AI Command App.